Hey everyone, welcome to the Case Theory. We're all about reviewing the latest and best cases around that is worth your shot and money. We believe in providing the most detailed reviews so you guys can just click on the subscribe button to get the closest to your desired case. Whether you need a leather case, a clear case, or a silicone case, we've got it all covered. We also welcome suggestions from all of you as to which iPhone case you want us to review next. Share it with us and who knows, it might be the next one to be featured on our channel. When it comes to skins, dBrand will be among the first few brands that comes to mind. Based in Toronto, Canada, dBrand claims that they are run by robots. From the robotic installation videos to the apathetic answers on their FAQ page, those claims are pretty convincing. Not to mention, it is a wonder how they got the inspiration for their limited edition designs, which are disturbingly cool. Despite being known for their signature skins, dBrand also sells grip cases as well as their prism screen protectors. Their skins are available for most of the latest devices. They are made of true textured 3M vinyl, which means that removing them will not leave an adhesive residue. For those whose main reason for not getting the skins is your fear of not being able to do a good job fixing it, fret not. dBrand provides detailed tutorial videos that are super easy to follow. Besides the remarkable quality, the skin also has a smooth matte texture, provides protection from scratches, and also offers a very precise fit without adding unnecessary bulk. Before we go on to take a look at the latest limited edition print, we would like to mention that we purchased these items on our own and this is not a sponsored video. Previously, we have reviewed the dBrand limited edition robot skin with the whole unboxing experience. You can check out that video in the link provided. Today we're going to show you yet another limited edition dBrand skin. This time, it is the Robot Camo. Since the robot skin, they have been coming up with more limited edition skins because of the overwhelming response. What makes them truly desirable is the fact that they are extremely unique. Each and every dBrand Robot Camo skin is a small piece of a larger whole. This means that every skin is truly unique and they are only available for a limited time. The design for the Robot Camo skin is inspired from the phrase, "nowhere to hide." As you can see here, the drawings are much finer as compared to the robot skin. From a distance, the design looks pretty intricate and cool. Try squinting your eyes now, and the whole impression would drastically change. There are so many robots conquering the place and mutilating every last human in the most violent ways possible. There are also a lot of ghostly-like figures that looks terrified of the robots. The most disturbing part about the picture is the fact that the humans almost look like they are happily dying in the hands of the unsympathetic robots. Our advice is, don't bother deciphering the meaning behind the picture as it will certainly leave you with an unsettling feeling. Before getting too carried away by our emotions, let's take a closer look at how the skin would look like on some of our Apple products that we have today. As mentioned, we have previously reviewed the limited edition robot skin with the grip case in another full unboxing experience video. We have another grip case here with the new Robot Camo skin which has a smooth matte finish that is incredibly nice to touch. The case has a great amount of friction on the sides and also provides the necessary protection for drops. This is great for those who does not want to have the skin pasted directly on the phone to preserve the original look and color of the phone. Also, having the skin on the case means that you could easily swap to another case and put it back on when you like it. Buying these items as a bundle costs $44.90 USD as compared to $49.90 USD when purchased separately. Unlike the grip case combo, installing the skin directly on the iPhone 11 looks very natural. The skin wraps around the phone and covers the camera area as well. Priced at $19.95 USD, it is great for those who made up their mind about having the skin permanently on the case. However, do take note that even if there is a need to remove the skin in future, it will not leave any marks. As the skin only provides scratch protection, it is advisable to use a clear case to provide some protection for the phone in the event of phone drops, unless you are the kind who's never dropped a phone your entire life. Next, we have the Robot Camo skin for the AirPods Pro. It is priced at $19.95 USD but comes as a pair. This might be because it is a little tricky to install the sticker on the AirPods Pro due to the rounded edges, so they provided two stickers in case you screw up the first time. But not to worry, there is an installation video available which provides easy to follow instructions. It took us 30 minutes to fix ours. As long as you do not tear the skin, you can always take it out and fix it right back. The skin covers the Apple Watch Pro all around except the area around the lightning port. Despite the skin, there are no obstructions for the LED light to pass through. The one thing that could make it more interesting though would be having the skins for the earpiece itself. Well, that would be really cool to swagger around with, but certainly another challenge when it comes to installing the skin. Finally, for our bonus feature, we would like to show you guys how the skin would look like on a MacBook Pro. The one that we have here is the MacBook Pro late 2013 model. As you can see, the skin wraps around the front of the MacBook, perfectly exposing the glowing Apple logo. Also included in the bundle is a camo skin for the inside of your MacBook. It covers the entire inner surface, exposing just the speaker grills and the keyboard. As dBrand printed the skin which covers the entire inner surface of the MacBook, you'll get bonus excess skin from the speaker grill and keyboard cutout, which honestly is enough to cover the entire back of another iPhone. The skin for the MacBook Pro is priced at $49.95 USD. For those who are new to installing skins, a hairdryer is a must-have tool by your side. Even if you screw up big time, you could use some heat to soften the skin and reapply it again. We've tried it ourselves and it works. To sum it up, dBrand's limited edition prints are a must-have, especially for those who appreciate robots and world domination. It is a little pricey for what it is, but the unique design and quality of the skin is worth every penny. If you have enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the Case Theory for more iPhone 11 Pro cases review. Till then, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.